Recent flooding in southeast Wisconsin has affected thousands of families in the communities that we live. My name is Tom Ewald with the Ewald Automotive Group, and together with our employees, we know what you're going through. And that's why we're putting a special $1,000 flood assistance off the lowest price of every used vehicle we have in inventory. That's right, $1,000 of flood assistance money off the price of all of our used vehicles at all 10 of our locations. Our employees stand ready to assist you with any of your transportation needs. Ewald is a name Milwaukee has trusted for over 60 years. We've been through things together, and we'll get through this one again.